Hey everyone, welcome, it's Caleb, and in this video, I wanted to share an announcement that I am so excited for. For the last couple of months, I have been preparing a course called C and C++ Mastery. This course is designed to take you from knowing essentially nothing to being a professional C and C++ engineer. This is going to be fabulous if you're looking to get your first software development job, or if you're already in the industry and you want to really improve your skills in C and C++. The material goes in a lot of depth, and I have some C and C++ content here on YouTube, but so many people have requested more, and this is that resource that people have been requesting. So if you want to deep dive, you want to go from beginning to end, and you want a predictable approach to learning, this is the course for you. It's basically going to be split up as a 20-week boot camp. So every single week you get a new section of content. I split this up into really 4 courses. So we have the C Essentials. This is just getting the basics down and becoming proficient in C. Then we have C Advanced. This is going to talk about a lot of the advanced concepts in C, like pointers, pointers to pointers, memory management, custom data structures, and build systems, multi-file compilation, all of that stuff. Then we will move into the essentials of C++, which is not just a repeat of the C essentials in the C++ language. Basically, this will give us a chance, since we already have all that C information out of the way, we already got the foundations of programming figured out, we can focus on some more advanced stuff. So this is really like an intermediate course. Then we have C++ Advanced, which is going to go beyond those beginner and intermediate topics so far to really solidify everything we've learned and have the skills to build applications in the real world. Another awesome thing is that with this course, I created a comprehensive ebook that will go through all of the same material. So not only do you get the videos, but you also get an ebook with code samples and key terms, everything you need to know. So whichever way you learn best, you can follow either one of those or use both at the same time. Here's an example section. So this would be essentially 1 week of material in the 20-week boot camp. Here are the lessons. It's split up into 10, so you could imagine doing 2 lessons a day on the weekdays to get through this material predictably. And I go through all of the essentials, typing out all of the code, so you can get everything set up, you can follow along with the videos, and you can refer back to all of the different keywords and key sections of code that you need to refer back to. And as we get into more technical content, there will be larger code sections. This is just the basics, but you can see this will be really great for reference, and it gives you a structure to your learning. So this just goes on and on and on. I mean, this is like the most wild resource I've ever created. Now, this course is a pre-release, and what that means is the material is not 100% done. I've finished planning the C courses, and I've been working on the first C++ course. I wanted to pre-release this so that people could start consuming the content and give suggestions for the later content, so you can directly influence the end of the course. And because this will be released in weeks, it gives me plenty of time to plan out all the material and release each section to you. So if this is something that does interest you, you can get essentially the full course, all 4 sections, for the price of the first course once this officially releases. So if you want all the details on that, I'll leave a link to the pre-sale page. Basically, you get instant access to that first week, and then each week you'll get new content for the duration of the 20 weeks or sooner if I am able to get the content done faster. So really the only trade-off to doing the pre-sale is that you don't get the full 20 weeks up front. You basically just have to wait for that material to be released on the platform. You also get to be directly involved in the finalization of the course, so any feedback or suggestions on what material to cover, these are things I will consider for the C++ sections. In terms of duration and size of this course, I haven't obviously recorded the whole thing, but the C courses alone are like 50,000 words, which I know that might not mean much to many of you, but that translates to probably 15-20 hours of video, and I'm hoping to do the same thing for the C++ section, so we're looking at least 30 hours of video most likely. And by the end of this, I'm hoping to have like 100,000 words of content, which is quite significant. That's like a decent sized novel. So I'm really excited. This is the resource so many people have been asking for when they want more than what I have available for C and C++ on YouTube. So I'm opening the pre-sale for 10 days. You can join in on the course and have access the whole time time while I build the course. But after those 10 days, I'm closing the sale and I won't be opening that again until the course is complete. So by getting in the pre-sale, not only do you influence the creation of the course, but you also get that material potentially up to 20 weeks earlier than everybody else. And you get significant savings. So I know there are some of you out there who will be interested in the pre-sale. If that's something you're interested in, again, I'll leave a link down in the description. Now I understand not everybody wants to buy a course, and that's totally fine. I still have a lot of resources on YouTube. The value of this course is if you really want to accelerate your learning, go deeper, and you don't want to spend all your time just searching around on the internet and figuring out what videos are important. This lays out everything for you, exactly what you need to know in the exact order you need to learn it, so you can save time and be much more effective as a developer. This is going to be a really awesome resource for those of you who want to take your knowledge deeper and commit to something bigger. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting this channel, and I'm excited to be releasing this content over the next 20 weeks. And for those of you who are interested in other topics, I do have some ideas coming up in the future, some cool announcements, so stay tuned. But for now, check out this course and the content I'll be releasing here out on YouTube, and stay tuned for the upcoming episodes.